I'm going to show you how to change the default installation location in Windows 11. There are two different methods here depending on what you're using to install. So the first one is we head on down to the search bar, search for storage settings, and then click on that. From here, you want to scroll all the way down until you find advanced storage settings, and then click that. Next, select where new content is saved. And as you can see, you can select the new location for new apps, documents, music, etc., etc. So just click the drop down. I only have a C drive, so I cannot select anything different. However, it is worth knowing that this is the directory that is used for the Microsoft Store and other native applications within Microsoft Windows. To change the default installation location for everything that is third party, i.e. not Microsoft, what we need to do instead is head on down to the search bar and search for Registry Editor. On the left, select the local machine dropdown, then select software, then select Microsoft, then scroll all the way down until you find Windows and look for a folder that is named current version. And what we're looking for is program files dir and also program files dar x86. And all you have to do is right click on one of these, then select modify, and you'll be able to change the drive. So for instance, if you wanted it to still be in program files, but you wanted it on your D drive, just swap the C to a D and then press OK.